Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel. Let's see what we have in store for you today.
Quick and Easy Meals. Take out the stress to learn and make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and Easy Meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Today we are going to make Italian sausage, peppers, and onions with sauce. It's going to be really great. So let's go over the ingredients. First, you'll need a pound of sausage, or Italian sausage. Any flavor, mild, whatever pleases you. You could get spicy if you like. We're going to do peppers, green, red, yellow, any of the colors. Just need 2 of those. Onions, we're going to dice these up. We're going to get the marinara sauce. There's various flavors. Get whatever makes you happy. This Roa's marinara sauce is kind of expensive, but it is well worth it. Trust me on that. We're going to need some garlic, olive or avocado oil, and optional is going to be mozzarella cheese. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, and I think I might go with it. It's optional. We'll see. I'll get a feel for it later. And of course, you always have salt and pepper. Alrighty, these are the ingredients for your Italian sausage, peppers, and onions with sauce. Let's get started. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to slice this sausage in the rounds, and then we're going to put it in there. We're going to get about a tablespoon of oil. We'll let that heat up while we slice the sausage. Now, when we slice the sausage, you slice it into rounds like that, and we'll let that go ahead and cook for about 8 minutes or so, and then we'll transfer it over into another pot while we prepare the other. So while this is cooking, you want to slice up your other ingredients, your peppers, and mince your garlic, and cut your onions up. Okay, so the funny thing is, and we're gonna cook this for about 8 minutes, but let me tell you something real quick. The funny thing is, in the ingredients I showed you sausage we were gonna use, which was this sausage. So if you paid attention, you noticed I switched the sausage. The reason I switched the sausage is because that sausage is what I'm gonna use for breakfast. I'm gonna do sausage gravy over scrambled eggs with cheese. And I was thinking about breakfast when I pulled that out of the refrigerator, and I'm thinking about what I'm having for breakfast while I'm getting ready to cook dinner. And so I confused the 2 sausages. But this sausage, you can use any different flavors, and just cook it for about 8 minutes, and then we'll pull it and put it in a different bowl. We'll cook the vegetables into this bowl, into this pan. Okay, now the sausage is pretty much cooked. We cooked it for about 8 minutes. We'll remove the sausage from the pan. We'll leave the oil in there, and we'll cook the vegetables in that, and then we'll reintroduce the meat, the sausage. Hopefully you were cutting up the vegetables while you were cooking the meat. So we'll add the garlic and the onions until they are soft. The garlic and the onions and the vegetables can be cut any style. I cut them in like strips. And the garlic, of course, is just minced up. We'll put the garlic in there. It is a great smell in case you can't smell it. Okay, now that we got the vegetables softening up, we'll give it about another 2 minutes. Then we'll add the marinara sauce. We're going to add about a half a cup, but you can add more if you like it saucy. I like it saucy, so I'll probably add more, but we'll start off with a half a cup. And we'll get that all stirred in. We'll just give it another 2 minutes to soften this up just a little bit more. Next, we're going to add the marinara sauce, about a half a cup for starters. Get that all mixed in. Looking good. I know the marinara sauce is a little expensive, but it's well worth the money. So we'll get that cooked in there for a little bit, and then we'll add the sausage back into this. And I'm still trying to decide, do I want to add cheese or not? So you got to keep thinking about that. Now we're going to add the sausage back in. And I think I will add a little more marinara sauce, just a little bit. My sausage is garlic. The marinara sauce is garlic, or well, Italian with mushroom, and it's really a great combination. Garlic and mushrooms. And we're nearly done. We just got to get this to cook together for the taste, for the flavors to blend. Now I think this is ready to serve. Today we're going to serve it on the dishes that I got for my birthday.
Happy birthday!
Nice green dishes, which are my favorite color, green. So let's get this served up. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe.